Lights off, please. Lights off. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here they are, the second entry. Performers from the Tabuk City National High School. Alright, so as they ready for the performance, I would like to share with you this description of their lantern. It described as the Banga Tikultura, the pot of culture and Christmas lantern. Tabuk City is dubbed as the melting pot of cultures, evidenced by the various indigenous communities it cuddles, both from the Cordilleras and from outside the region. To this day, people across cultures and regions are living harmoniously in the city. This image of unity amidst diversity was where Tabuk City National High School got its inspiration from. Correspondingly, it deemed appropriate to present such image through one of the most popular dishes in Kalinga, the binongor. The binongor recipe entails various ingredients to yield to a sumptuous dish. In the same way, each ingredient represents each tribe, sub-tribe in Tabuk. They may be different in many aspects like shape, sizes, taste, textures, yet when put together in a pot, they complement each other, maintaining their individuality while making the other ingredients' flavor shine through. Like the binongor dish, which unites many people in a meal, cultures should not compete with each other in order to shine, but must strive towards cultural appreciation, tolerance, and respect without losing our own cultural identities. Tonight's performance shall also showcase the hospitality of Tabuqueños through offering a cup of coffee and the warmth of its citizens in welcoming visitors. As people visit the famous village of Buscalan Tinglayan to pay homage to the great Apu Wangod, they stay with us to enjoy the variety of tourism experience our City of Life has to offer. As an individual culture, we spark a light. Together as a united community, we illuminate the world. Above all, we affirm our Christian faith, believing that God is greater than all highs and lows. Ladies and gentlemen, may we witness the performance from Tabuk City National High School.
ang tradisyon ito sa mga sumusunod na henerasyon.